America, stop playing games with my nation, using hate like a pawn for your confrontation. We tired of corruption and manipulation. Every promise turn to more occupation. We don't want no war on Caribbean land. Let the Haitian people rise and take a stand. Free the airport, let the country breathe. Too much pressure make the whole world see. Foreign hands all inside our business, talking peace but they bringing sickness. Every leader acting like a puppet now, but the youth waking up, we saying enough loud. Haiti crying, can you hear the sound? Too many kings trying to hold us down, but the roots too strong to fall apart. Any old force still beating in our heart. Stand up, Haiti, stand for sovereignty. No more chains, no dependency. We survive storms, pain and poverty. Now it's time to reclaim our destiny. Stand up, Haiti, let the whole world know. We still growing strong. No more silence, we gon' sing this song. Haiti free is where we belong. They feel the power of a united nation. Black independence changed civilization. Two same spirits still alive today. Gasoline voice never fade away. We don't bow, we don't break easy, even when the system try to deceive me. Mountains high, but the people higher. Every generation carrying the fire. Politicians selling dreams for dollars. Meanwhile, hungry children losing scholars. But the people got a voice again.